Welcome to our mathematics lesson on bar charts. In this video, we'll explore what bar charts are, how to create them, and how to interpret the data they present.
Let's start with an introduction to bar charts. Bar charts are a type of graph that uses bars to represent data. Each bar represents a category or value, and the length of the bar corresponds to the quantity or frequency of that category or value. When choosing the right data for your bar chart, it's important to consider factors such as the purpose of the chart, the audience, and the availability of data. Once you've chosen your data, you need to label and scale the axes of your bar chart. The labels should be clear and concise, and the scale should be appropriate for the data you're representing. Here is a bar chart showing the maximum monthly temperatures in Greenwich. The average monthly temperature was 16 in October, 11 in November, and 8 in December. How would we complete the bar chart?
The correct bars should be of equal width and spaced the same as the other bars. The bar for October goes up to 16. The bar for November goes halfway between 10 and 12, which is 11. The bar for December goes up to 8. Once you've plotted the bars, you can interpret or critique the bar chart. For example, look at this bar chart. Can you give 3 criticisms for this bar chart? There are 3 problems with this bar chart. The first problem is that the scale is not consistent. The second issue is there is no label for the y-axis. The third issue is that there is no key.
Creating a bar chart is a straightforward process. First, you need to choose the data you want to represent. Then, you need to create a horizontal axis and a vertical axis. The horizontal axis will represent the categories or values, and the vertical axis will represent the quantity or frequency.
Have a look at this bar chart that is being created based on students' favorite colors. In conclusion, bar charts are a versatile and effective way to represent and analyze data. They can be used to compare categories or values, identify trends and patterns, and make predictions. By understanding how to create and interpret bar charts, you can gain valuable insights from your data.